Good morning, everyone. This is B. Ramarao from Government Polytechnic College, Station Ganpur. Today, our topic pH value and problems. This topic belongs to first year diploma student for first semester common syllabus. Chapter acids and bases. In the chapter we discuss topic pH value and problems. pH value and problems. Objectives about this topic. Objectives. By the end of this period, you would be able to know what is pH, pH scale, range of pH scale, numerical problems based on pH. These topics discussed in this hour. So, what is pH? What are the importance of pH? How to measure pH? How to calculate the pH? pH scale. The range of pH we discuss in this topic. Some problems based on pH value. How to calculate the given solution pH value on the basis of given H plus ion concentration or OH minus ion concentration. So now we discuss what is pH, pH scale, numerical problems based on pH. This one is our topic. What is pH? pH. This pH introduced by Sorensen. The concentration of H plus ions present in aqueous solution by using pH value. How many number of H plus ions present in given solution calculated by using pH value. This pH introduced by Sorensen. This pH introduced by S.P. Sorensen in 1909 introduced pH scale. To express the nature of aqueous solution. The solution nature, acidic nature or basic nature or neutral. The scale to express the nature of aqueous solution, that is acid or base or neutral. The term pH was derived from the French word pCnUSG dihydrogen or powerless hydrogen, which means concentration of hydrogen. This pH word, French word. What is the meaning of pH? The concentration of H plus ions. Powerless hydrogen. Powerless means concentration. The concentration of hydrogen. The concentration of hydrogen are measured by using pH scale. What is the concentration? The amount of solute present in unit volume of solution is called concentration. The amount of H plus ions present in unit volume of solution is called concentration. The amount of particles present in unit volume of solution is called concentration. The pH, concentration of H plus ions calculated by using pH scale. The solution containing relatively more quantity of solute is called concentration of solution. So now pH, it is a French word. The meaning of concentration of hydrogen ions. How many number of H plus ions present in given solution are measured by using pH. pH scale range from 0 to 14. 0 to 14. pH scale range of pH scale from 0 to 14. The ionic product of water H plus ions and OH minus ion concentration is equal to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 14. So now we remove the negative particles or negative values to convert numerical numbers from 0 to 14. So we easily identify the nature of solution by using this number from 0 to 14. The solution nature from 0 to 7, in between the value of pH, the solution nature, acidic nature. So the acidic nature decreasing from 0 to 7. The value of pH value increases, the acidic nature decreases. The basic nature of solution from 7 to 14. In between 7 to 14, the pH scale range, the solution nature is basic nature. If pH value is 7, the nature of solution is neutral solution. Neutral solution. The range of pH from 0 to 14, in between 0 to 7, acidic nature, in between 7 to 14, basic nature of solution. If pH value is 7, the solution nature is neutral solution. neutral solution. pH range from 0 to 14. 0 to 7 in between values acidic nature, in between 7 to 14 7 to 14 basic nature, if 7 neutral solution. Increasing of pH value from 0 to 7 acidic nature decreases, increasing of 7 to 14 the basic nature also increases. If pH value is 7 neutral solution. The number of ions both are equal in neutral solution. Number of H plus ions equal to number of OH minus ions. Then this solution is called neutral solution. This neutral solution pH is 7. This one is pH scale. This one is introduced by Sorensen. The values of pH scale from 0 to 14. Now, what is pH? What is pH? pH, introduced by S.P. Sorensen, the negative value of the logarithm, the negative value of the logarithm of the hydrogen ion concentration expressed in moles per liter of a solution is called pH. What is pH? The negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration expressed in moles per liter is called pH. This value, the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration expressed in moles per liter of a solution is called pH. This pH is equal to minus log H plus ion concentration. H plus ion concentration. The number of H plus ions present in unit volume of solution is called concentration. How many number of H plus ions in terms negative logarithm of value is called pH. So pH is equal to minus log H plus ion concentration. Kw value in terms of 1 into 10 to the power of minus 14. This minus 14 when log 10 to the power of n is equal to n log 10, log 10 value is equal to 1, therefore minus into minus plus n. So we convert to the negative values to positive value by using logarithm base 10. So this log 10 value is 1. So we turns to minus into minus plus positive values we get by using negative logarithm. The negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration expressed in moles per liter of solution is called pH. pH is equal minus log H plus ion concentration, or pH is equal to log 1 by H plus ion concentration. 1 by H plus ion concentration. So pH is equal to minus log H plus ion concentration, or pH is equal to minus log H plus ion concentration, or pH is equal to log 1 by H plus ion concentration. 1 by H plus ion concentration. From this, we can write that H plus ion concentration is equal 10 to the power of minus pH. From this, we can write that H plus ion concentration is equal 10 to the power of minus pH. H plus ion concentration is equal 10 to the power of minus pH. Lower the pH, more acidic is the solution. Lower the value of pH near to 0, the acidic nature of solution is more. Lower the pH, more acidic is the solution. Higher the pH, more basic the solution. The pH value of basic solution from 7 to 14. The increasing of pH value from 7 to 14, near to 14, the basic nature is more the solution. Near the 0 pH of the solution, more acidic solution. So the range of solution pH value from 0 to 14, near to 0 more acidic solution, near to 14 more basic solution. So the solution nature depends on pH. The pH value is lower value, more acidic solution. The pH value is more basic solution. So similarly, the hydroxyl ion concentration is equal to POH is equal to minus log OH minus ion concentration. The pH plus POH is equal to 14, then pH is equal to 14 minus POH. In case basic solution, that solution pH value are calculated, number of OH minus ion concentration, that concentration is POH is equal to minus log OH minus ion concentration. Then after we find pH value by using this formula, pH plus POH is equal to 14, then pH is equal to 14 minus POH. Similarly, the POH is defined as the negative logarithm of hydroxyl ion concentration is called POH. The negative logarithm of hydroxyl ion concentration. Hydroxyl means OH minus ion concentration is called POH. In case base solution, it produces OH minus ion concentration. That concentration is equal to POH is equal minus log OH minus ion concentration, or POH is equal to log 1 by OH minus ion concentration. The sum of pH and POH is equal to 14. The sum of pH and POH is equal to 14. Therefore, pH plus POH is equal to 14. pH plus POH is equal to 14. So, the pH value measured the nature of solution. The lower pH value, more acidic solution. Higher the pH, more basic is the solution. Similarly, the POH defined as POH is equal to minus log OH minus ion concentration, or POH is equal to log 1 by OH minus ion concentration. The sum of pH and pOH is equal to 14. Therefore, pH plus pOH is equal to 14. pH plus pOH is equal to 14. How to calculate the pH value given solution? So now, what are the importance of pH? Why you measured pH value of solution? pH has no units. pH, it is only number. No units are used pH value. pH of neutral solution 7, pH of acidic solution less than 7, pH of basic solution more than 7. pH value decreases for acidic and increases for basic with increasing of the temperature due to increasing in concentration of H plus and OH minus ions. Importance of pH, that is values 0 to 14. What are the uses of pH? The digestive system. In human beings, pH of about 1.4. The digestive system maintains pH about 1.4 pH, and blood requires 7.35 to 7.42 for proper functioning. pH of digestive system 1.4, blood pH 7.35 to 7.42. Many industrial and biological process takes place at specific pH value. Many industrial and biological process takes place at specific pH value. The change in pH value causes tooth decay, and toothpaste contain basic materials. That paste pH value about 8, and soil require pH closer to 7 for healthy growth of plants and good yields. Some plants and animals releases acidic and basic material to defend their enemies. These are importance of pH. These pH value are measured by some importance are there. Those are measured in blood cells and also digestive system. Some biological and chemical reactions depends on pH value. The soil requires closer to pH for growing plants. Find the pH of 0.001 HCl. Find the pH of 0.001 HCl. How to calculate the pH value of given solution 0.001 HCl. Solution. How to solve the problem? HCl is strong acid, hence it ionizes completely in water, so it produces number of H plus ions. This one is strong acid. This acid completely ionized in given solution and produce more number of H plus ions. The number of H plus ions is equal 0.001 n. That is equal 10 to the power of minus 3 n. 10 to the power of minus 3 n. So here formula, the number of H plus ions is equal to 10 to the power of minus 3 n. pH is equal to minus log H plus ion concentration. Then pH is equal to minus log 10 to the power of minus 3 log a to the power of x is equal x log a. So minus of log 10 to the power of minus 3 is equal minus of minus 3 into log 10. Log 10 value is equal to 1 minus into minus plus. So here pH value of given solution is 3. So pH of the solution 0.01 n log 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 log m into n, formula log m plus log n. So minus of log 1 plus log 10 to the power of minus 3 log a to the power of x is equal to x log a. That means minus of minus 3 log 10 minus log 1 is equal to 0 plus 3 into log 10 is equal to 1. 0 plus 3 into 1, that is equal to 3. So pH of solution is 3. So here we using formula log m into n and log a to the power of x. Log m into n is equal to log m plus log n. Log 1 is equal to 0, log 10 is equal to 1. Then 0 plus 3, answer 3. So given solution pH value is 3. What the pH of 0.02 m H2SO4 solution? H2SO4 solution. So here given solution concentration in molarity. Then you convert into normality of solution. The total number of H plus ions are defined in normal solution. Then this molarity convert into normality, that is equal molarity and normality relation is equal normality n is equal to molarity into basicity of acid. So here H2SO4 is strong acid, hence it is ionized complete in water and produce more number of H plus ions, so this one is strong acid. This acid produce number of H plus ion concentration in molarity. Then it is converted into normality. Then normality is equal to molarity into basicity of H2SO4. So H plus ions is equal molarity into basicity is equal to, that is equal 0.02 into 2, 0.04. That is equal to 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2 n. This molarity of solution convert into normality. So H plus ions is equal 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2 n. 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2 n, normal. So now formula pH is equal minus log H plus ion concentration, that is equal minus log 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2 log m into n minus of minus log 4 plus log m to the power of n log m log 4 plus 2 into log 10 log 4 is equal to 0.6020 log 10 value is equal to 1. So we substitute these values. Log 4 is equal minus 0.6020 plus 2 into 1 minus 0.6021 plus 2, that is equal to 1.36 1.3979. 1.3979. So here given problem pH value is 1.3979. The concentration of given solution in molarity, then convert into normality of solution. Normality N is equal to molarity into basicity of solution. Molarity 0.02 into 2, that is equal to 4 into 10 to the power minus 2. 4 log 4 value is equal 4 into 10 to the power minus 2 log m into n, log m plus log n, log 4 plus 2 into log 10, log 4 value 0.6021, log 10 value is equal to 1, that is equal to minus 0.6021 plus 2 into log 10 value is equal to 1, 2 into 1 minus 0.6021 plus 2, that is equal to 1.3979. Next problem. What is the pH of 0.05 m NaOH solution? First and second problem we discuss about acid solution. Now this one is base solution, NaOH, base. What is the pH of 0.05 m NaOH solution? NaOH base, it produces OH minus ions in concentration. This OH minus ions is equal 0.05 m. This given solution concentration in molarity. Then you convert into normality of solution. Normality of base solution is equal molarity into acidity of base. What is acidity? The number of OH minus ions replaced from base. The OH minus ions produce sodium hydroxide is equal to only 1. So its acidity is equal to 1. So normality is equal molarity into acidity 0.05 into 1. Therefore molarity and normality both are same in given NaOH solution. So now we find the pOH value, then after find pH value of solution. So NaOH is strong base, hence it is ionized completely in water. So it produces OH minus ion concentration is equal to 0.05 into acidity of NaOH is equal to 1, 0.05, that is equal to 5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 n. 5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 n. So first you find out pOH value. pOH is equal to minus log OH minus ion concentration 5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 log m into n, log m plus log n, log m plus log n. So that is equal to minus of log 5 plus log 10 to the power of minus 2 log m into n, log m plus log n, minus of log 5 minus of log 10 to the power of minus 2 minus log 5 minus of log m to the power of n is equal to minus of minus 2 into log 10, minus into minus plus 2, minus log 5 plus 2 into log 10, log 5 value 0.6990, log 10 value is equal to 1, minus of 0.6990 plus 2 into log 10 value is equal to 1, minus 0.6990 plus 2 into 1, that is equal to minus 0.6990 plus 2, that is equal to 1.3010. That is pOH value of NaOH. So given solution produce OH minus ion, that OH minus ion concentration 5 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Then you find first of all pOH value. pOH is equal to minus log OH minus ion concentration minus of log 5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 log m into n minus of log 5 plus log 10 to the power of minus 2 minus log 5 minus of minus 2 into log 10 minus into minus plus 2 into log 10 minus 0.6990 plus 2 that is equal to 1.3010. Now you find the pH value of NaOH solution. pH plus pOH is equal to 14. Then pH is equal to 14 minus pOH. 14 minus 1.3010 that is equal to 12.6990. 12.6990. So this one is base solution of NaOH. That solution pH value calculated by using this method. So first of all you find the molarity, convert into normality. Then normality of pOH is equal to minus log OH minus ion concentration minus log 5 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Then you find the log 5 value 0.6990, log 10 value is equal to 1, then pOH is equal to 1.3010. Then pH is equal to 14 minus pOH that is equal to 14 minus 1.3010 that is equal to 12.6990. Now here what is the pH of 0.02 barium hydroxide solution? BaOH taken twice. This solution acidity is equal to 2. Given solution molarity 0.02 m. Then convert into normality of solution. Normality N is equal to molarity into acidity of barium hydroxide 0.02 into 2 that is equal to 0.04. 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2 normal solution. Barium hydroxide is a strong base. Hence, it is ionized completely and produce more number of OH minus ions. The number of OH minus of barium hydroxide is equal to 2. So, OH minus ion concentration is equal to molarity into acidity of barium hydroxide. 0.02 into 2 that is equal to 0.04. 0.04 n. 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2 n. Then pOH is equal to minus log OH minus ion concentration minus log 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2 log m into n log m plus log n minus log 4 plus log 10 to the power of minus 2 log m to the power of n is equal to n log m minus log 4 plus 2 into log 10. Log 4 value is equal to 0.6021. Log 10 is equal to 1. Then minus 0.6021 plus 2 into 1 that is equal to 1.3979. Barium hydroxide pOH value 1.3979. Then pH is equal 14 minus pOH 14 minus 1.3979 that is equal to 12.6021. 12.6021. Even given solution, base solution, and it produce more number of OH minus ions, then it is increasing of acidity solution. The acidity of barium hydroxide is equal to 0.02 into 2 that is equal to 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2. So 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2 number of OH minus ions log m plus n log m value 4 n value 10 to the power of minus 2 then log m to the power of n is equal n log m, n value minus 2, m value 10, minus of minus 2 is equal to plus 2 into log 10 value is equal to 1. So minus 0.6021 plus 2, that is equal to 1.3979. Then pH is equal 14 minus 1.3979, that is equal to 12.6021. Then pH of solution is 3. Calculate the H plus and OH minus ion concentration in the solution. pH of solution is 3. Calculate H plus and OH minus ion concentration in the solution. pH is equal to 3. As per definition, pH is equal to minus log H plus ion concentration. Then H plus ions is equal 10 to the power of minus pH. H plus ions is equal 10 to the power of minus pH. Then H plus ions is equal 10 to the power of minus 3 moles per liter. The pH of solution is 3. Calculate the H plus and OH minus ion concentration in the solution. Then pH is equal to minus log H plus ions. H plus ions is equal to 10 to the power of minus pH. H plus ions is equal to 10 to the power of minus 3 moles per liter. Then OH minus ions is equal Kw by H plus ion concentration, Kw 1 into 10 to the power of minus 14 by 10 to the power of minus 3 H plus ions. Therefore, OH minus ions is equal to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 11 moles per liter. Now, pH of solution is 5.48. Calculate the H plus ion concentration in the solution. Then pH is equal to 5.48. As per pH is equal to minus log H plus ion concentration, pH is equal to 1 by H plus ion concentration, then pH is equal to 5.48, then 1 by H plus ions is equal to anti-log of 5.48, then 1 by H plus ions is equal to 3.02 into 10 to the power of 5, then 1 by 3 into 10 to the power of minus 5, 3.311 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Now, summary of this topic. What is pH? The negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration is called pH. What is pH scale? The pH scale from 0 to 14. The negative logarithm of hydroxyl ion concentration is called pOH. Now, some quiz questions. Nature of the solution of pH is 7. A. Acidic. B. Basic. C. Neutral. D. None. What is the solution of pH is 7. Acidic solution pH value less than 7, 0 to 7 in between called acid. Basic solution more than 7 to 14, that means above 7 to 14 in between called base solution. Neutral solution pH is 7. So here answer C. Neutral solution. Negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration is called pH, pOH, pKa, pKb. The negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration is called pH. Answer A. Frequently asked questions about this topic. Define pH. Find the pH of 0.001 in HCl solution. What the pH of 0.02 m H2SO4 solution. What is pH? The negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration is called pH. Here given solution concentration in normal solution. So no change in converter of normality, that is 10 to the power of minus 3. Then pH is equal minus log 10 to the power of minus 3, that is equal 3. Here given solution in molarity, then convert into normality is equal molarity into basicity 0.02 into 2, that is equal 0.04 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Thank you once again. Thank you about we discussing pH scale and range of pH, how to calculate the pH value of acidic solution and basic solution, what are the importance of pH scale. Thank you once again.